So good morning everyone, my name is Siddhan Shedmeke and I know this vlog is coming after a very long time, and that's the staple statement that I always say on my vlog, because I always upload my vlogs late, you know. So yeah, anyways, I'm heading to a hotel Ahura today. मतलब उस साइड कभी राइड किया नहीं है, तो आज संडे मॉर्निंग था तो I just thought कि चलो यार जाके आते हैं एक बार. There is also one lake that is on the way, वांद्री लेक. बट मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि वो आते आते वापस जब आऊँगा तो उस टाइम पे मैं आई विल जस्ट गो देयर, क्योंकि पहले तो मुझे कुछ खाना है. सो इट्स 2 hours and 14 minutes from here. It's around 121 kilometers. It's around 7:30 now. प्लान था 6 बजे निकलने का. I am 1.5 hours late. I'm just happy कि ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं है और बट ये ज़्यादा टाइम तक रहेगी नहीं. इससे खाली रास्ते ज़्यादा टाइम तक नहीं रहेंगे क्योंकि it's almost आज तो संडे एक्चुअली रह भी सकते हैं. I'm not too sure. खाली रास्ते रह भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी रह सकते हैं. So first I'll have to fill some petrol. Don't tell me उतनी लंबी लाइन है dude. What the fuck? I'm not gonna stop here. I'm sorry. Dude, I just love such mornings. मस्त खुला है यार एकदम. I'm just loving it. But मैंने स्टोरी नहीं डाली. स्टोरी डालनी पड़ेगी guys. Should we launch it? Should we not? I think I should launch it. Yes. Let's just launch it from here. नहीं यार, ये लोग 7 सेकंड पहले निकलेंगे. I can't launch it. सुबह सुबह निकलते मूड ठीक नहीं था. अभी इसने ऐसे मूड ठीक किया है ना guys. So I am right now on the main highway, I guess. It's 110 kilometers from here. Okay, I'll have to stop somewhere to fuel up and to put out some stories, you know. Okay, there was a petrol pump here, dude. I didn't even know. Shit. But at this point I really need a petrol pump. A petrol pump. Where's a petrol pump, dude? Look at that sun. I guess it's time to wear the sunglasses. I hope I carried it with me. The moment I crossed the toll naka of this road, first toll naka, ये मिला मुझे. इतना traffic. He was going to bump into me or what? Thank God. Why do people have zero patience? 2-3 सेकंड और रुकना था. Honking like पता नहीं क्या है. Hey dude, where the f*** is the petrol pump? I thought it was here somewhere. There is the petrol pump. Nice. But look at the roads ahead. It's getting beautiful. I can see a mountain. Now the good roads are starting. I mean, the beautiful roads are the good roads. Now we're talking. This is what I was waiting for. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. शुरुआत से साला मुंबई का traffic. Now I'm getting these beautiful, beautiful roads. But seriously, dude, I haven't been to this highway, this side for that matter, for any rides. Now I'm not disappointed at all. Look at the roads, man. Just look at the road. Oh, so first of all, we have to stop at the petrol pump because we don't have any petrol, my boy. Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance? Full. Let's just put some stories. Very nice uncle. I was going to take a story, but कोई नहीं. आप लगाओ ना. Tension नहीं uncle. So done with the stories. Just in case you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow me. Recent updates और stories वहीं पे आते रहते हैं. Now it's time to go. बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा break हो गया, but no worries. I hope I got everything. Just a second. Just let me check once again. Let's go. I got the sunglasses as well. We have to take a left from here to head towards Gujarat. I'm not going to Gujarat, by the way. But I'm planning to go to Daman very soon. Vasai Creek Bridge. Nice. I'll just go a little slow from here because I want to admire the view. एडमायरिंग के चक्कर में सामने ट्रक ही नहीं दिखा। हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स? 91 किलोमीटर्स। ओके, मैंने स्टोरी में गलती से 110 बोल दिया था। नो वरीज। अभी भूख लगी है क्या पेट को? लेट मी जस्ट आस्क माय स्टमक if उसको भूख लगी है या नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे समझने को 2 मिनट लगेगा कि भूख लगी है या नहीं। नहीं लगी है, नहीं लगी है। I can manage. This is the most beautiful feeling that you can ever have. You know, people ask me why I ride. They just ask me why you just spend so much money on your bike and go on long tours, spending so much money. Dude, this is life for me. This is life. Seriously, I don't feel any stress. I don't feel the anxiety. I just feel the open road. I just feel the open wind, the cool breeze. My mind is not at a place where it feels trapped. My mind is focused on the road. And this is a feeling that I can't even put in just simple words. And I feel so privileged riding on such beautiful roads. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the main reason why I ride. There are few patches on the road which are not so good, but some patches are so beautiful. Like for example this one. Look at it, dude. Dude, that's so long. That's what she said. Dude, this is so beautiful. It's such a beautiful feeling, dude. Hey guys, idhar tawa hai. Tawa. Dude, is there a toll ahead? Yes, there is a toll ahead. That's why there is so much of traffic. I hope यहाँ से आगे का रास्ता अच्छा हो. Why the fuck did I even say this यार? मैं जब भी बोलता हूँ जिंक्स हो जाता है यार. अभी मुझे बहुत हल्की सी भूख लगी है. Like, I just love this thing about bikes. No toll, bro. Riders, okay, all the riders stop here. Okay, I can stop here, but इतनी भूख नहीं है यार. I think I can stretch it till Ahura. There are a lot of trucks on this road. Of course, dude, you have a 650. It's cold, dude. The day is very sunny, but still it's quite cold here. So we are about to reach Ahura. That is the Ahura hotel. My battery just died, but I changed it. I cannot miss the entrance of Hotel Ahura. Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh, dude. Just look at the amount of bikes here. Oh, that is a new ZX-10. Dude. Let's just take a round first and then we'll stop somewhere. Just look at the amount of bikes here. This is the biker's paradise. Seriously. Yes, I guess this is the place I should park in. So yeah, we are here. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just this. I don't even have words, dude. From a Dio to a 10, there is everything here. I just really want to meet this guy who has done Leh Ladakh, Mumbai to Leh Ladakh on this scooter. Oh, dude, just look at that sexy S1000RR. And that is the BMW S1000RR. Dude.
Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the work.